Over my time of building custom vehicles, I've swapped many engines into many vehicles that they weren't in there before. I think I've put LSs in basically everything. I've put Toyota engines in things. I've put Jeep engines in Toyotas. I've done all those things. I've even put an LS engine in a BMW for my kid, even made it a manual transmission. Don't be a bad dad, teach your kid how to drive a stick. But the hardest part about getting an engine to work inside a modern vehicle is the communication between the engine and the rest of the car. And that is because modern vehicles use a lot of CAN bus communication. So it's not like the old days where you just turn the key and 12 volts goes down to the starter and it starts the motor. It doesn't work that way anymore. Everything, it goes through the powertrain control module, or ECU, or whatever you want to call it, basically the computer. So when it comes to dealing with one of these modern Jeeps, and you want to get a Hemi underneath the hood, which in my opinion is the best swap, and it's because of that communication, the best place to call is HotwireAuto. HotwireAuto will build you a completely new wiring harness with all new OEM-style connectors. They will reflash the computer to work with your vehicle. They can even take care of the TCU in the transmission. And the key to all of this is the fact that they will build this harness, flash the computer, and set it all up so everything inside that Jeep works like it did from the factory. They can build you a harness like this in a hot rod setup. I have that in a couple other of my vehicles. That basically means you just hook it up to like a 12-volt power and a ground, and you just switch the key and you can run the vehicle. But when you want everything to work inside the Jeep, gauges, AC request, all that stuff, you need to have a harness and, more importantly, a company that understands how to make that communication work. And Hotwire can do that for you. Plus, on top of that, they offer great phone support either before, during, or after the install. So if you're planning a project like this, honestly, the first call you need to make is you call Hotwire, you tell them, hey, I got a Jeep, I'm gonna put a Hemi in it. They will tell you what motor to buy, what transmission to get, what computer to choose from. They'll steer you right from the very beginning. And the best part is, in this application, 100% plug and play.